guys, today we're playing Roblox once again. But we're not playing Meep City. That was what I was playing before the video to check out if I wanted to play that. But today we're gonna play a thingy. Murder Mystery 2. We should check out Murder Mystery X. I heard that's popular. Murder Mystery X in games. I might be wrong and it's not. There it is. And this our normal murder mystery. Check this out. Come on! Oh my god. Yay. Connect with people all over the world to play classic murder. Yeah, I think I would rather thingy normal murder mystery. I wonder if it's made by the same person. Jake Paul joined. Are you serious? No, that's fake. That's fake. 1 million times. Times 1 million. It's fake. Kingdom of Fake. Are you serious? He's serious? Why he's serious? Pikachu, go up. Pikachu's out. Okay. Okay. What are you saying? Oh, by the way, my sister's here. So if Jake Paul joined, then we should. Where are you? Daniel? No, that's not me because I didn't join. Can you please be quiet until I tell you to speak? Okay. Thank you. Ooh, let's play Roblox in high school. My last Roblox video. Let's see if they listened. Probably not, though. Probably not. 99,199 KK. Why didn't someone hide 1 million? No. I see. I already have it. Oh. You guys, I won't see the thing, so that's gonna be a problem. Cause I won't know what you're seeing, what you're not seeing. I wonder if we're gonna have an interesting roleplay. You're serious? Are you serious right now? I think. Looks like we're gonna have to download. What? Oh. I want a hat. Roblox is laggy today, or is it my computer? I'm gonna install. I'm gonna run it. Where's okay? Oh, we're going into the game, and if I know my laggy Roblox account, it will be laggy. I don't know. I kind of. Jeez. Are we even 10 minutes left. For God's sake. I already have Roblox. There's a heli. There's a helicopter. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Thanks. I don't need you. Look what you did to me now. Claudia, look what you did to it. No. Okay, can go do that. Smart screen can be rich right now. Okay. Thank you. I'm gonna come back when it's loading. It's still. Others. Okay, turns out we're going to play Movie Star Planet and we're gonna choose my merchandise. No! Well, Roblox isn't loading, so we can't play that. We might play some Minecraft. Today is a mixed up episode. Yeah, literally like Claudia plays everything. Minecraft and stuff on it. Roblox. Better. Don't laugh. Go. Yes. Let's log in. By the way, if you think I'm gonna shout my password out loud, you're wrong. Because if I did, then I would change it straight away. But you won't know what it is. I'm poor. I have 2 messages, 0 friend requests. My VIP ended literally days ago. 1 year ago, really. Yeah. 10 pets and how I am. Ellie, you are my princess. Oh, 24 seconds out of page on my photo. Okay. Maybe we should make a photo. Nah. Wait, she gave me something? I don't know. I did not see that. Yeah, I am Christian. She's literally my only best friend. You what's my wish? That's a Christmas rare. How? Honestly, I think my outfit looks cute. I think we don't need to change it for now. But we're just gonna choose the thingy. My merch. So, and we'll also choose an accessory. Which This has a lot of rare. That has... If that's a rare, I won't be able to do this page because not a lot of people. Oh, and it has some of these things, but there's a 9 of rare thing that's not in the shops anymore. So, Nora's here. Let's do this page. Okay, I'm closing my eyes. No bad vibes. No bad vibes is my merchandise now. I was not expecting that. I was thinking it was going to be that or that. Or even that. Literally. Oh, I'm gonna make an art book that this is my new merch. Yeah. And it's not a rat, so that's good. Okay. No, I wasn't supposed to go. I really flippin' want that. That's literally my dream. I should put that on my wish list. Move it down. I'll just come back when I... Okay guys, so I did it. I made the merch art book. And so there's me, there's the shirt, there's text, and there's something there, I don't know why. Red Trade, I wonder if she's online now. Gone. Scammed. Hard to trade. That's trade. Now I want to do. Yes, VIP ticket will get anything anything straight away. By the way, if it is 1, you can pick 2 or 3, depends on what I feel like. Well, I think I'm gonna choose to that. Well, I guess that can be known as a rare. Otherwise, no. I wonder what to do. I think I want something that will look cute on me. That's not rare, but that is. No, I guess that can be known as rare. I think I'll get the. Do I have a... Wait, do I have like a black Ari hat? I'll see. Ari hair. Oh. Ari is in line. I'm gonna have to go now. Bye guys! Remember to subscribe and like this video.